If you have issues with your Bluetooth device not working properly or not connecting properly to your Samsung Galaxy A27, let me show you what you can do to try to solve your issues. So the first thing that you can do is you can simply turn off Bluetooth. There we go. And also turn off your Bluetooth device. Afterwards, you want to re-enable Bluetooth and turn your Bluetooth device back on. And if you had your Bluetooth device previously paired on your smartphone, then you can of course give it a try, and you can, for example, select it on this list of paired devices to try to pair it again, or most of the time you can even leave it as it is, because if your phone was recently used, then in that case you should be able to connect pretty much automatically and straight away. However, if that is not the case, if you, for example, used your Bluetooth device on another device before or after pairing it with your Galaxy A27, then in that case you might need to use the pairing button again to put it into the pairing mode, and then you should be able to select your Bluetooth device from this list of paired devices. Now, in case this fails and you still cannot connect your Bluetooth device, or if you didn't pair your device just yet, then of course we can try to pair it again. So in that case, I'm just gonna turn off my Bluetooth device and turn it back on, simple as that. And then I'm gonna use the pairing button. Now, if you don't have a pairing button on your Bluetooth device, then you would just want to make sure that your Bluetooth device is currently not connected to anything else, to any other device. After that, once we have the pairing mode activated, you can try to find your Bluetooth device on this list of available devices, and also remember to use the scan button here in the upper right corner once it is available, in case your Bluetooth device does not show up on this list of available devices. Sometimes you might even need to use that scan button twice or 3 times before your device shows up, so we just have to do that before it appears sometimes, and once you have it available, then of course you can select it and you can pair your device quite easily. There we go. In case you had your device paired and you cannot really pair it again, even with the pairing button, then of course you can go to settings of that Bluetooth device and you can completely unpair the device, and then of course you can try to pair it one more time. What you can also do is you can factory reset your Bluetooth device. First, of course, you want to make sure that your device is unpaired on your phone. Then you want to turn it off and turn it back on, and then perform factory reset. Unfortunately, I cannot really tell you how to factory reset or hard reset your Bluetooth device, simply because every Bluetooth device has its own way of factory resetting. So in that case, you just have to look it up by, for example, checking the manual of your Bluetooth device, or maybe another tutorial or something like that. But once you manage to factory reset your Bluetooth device, then you should be able to try to pair it one more time. Also, if none of this helps, if you still cannot pair your Bluetooth device on your Galaxy A27, you can also simply restart your phone, and if after restarting you still have issues with connecting the device to your Galaxy A27, we can go to settings on your phone, then we're gonna scroll down and go to general management, then over here you want to go to reset, and then here we have reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Unfortunately, we cannot separate these settings, so if you decide to reset Bluetooth settings over here, you will also reset Wi-Fi settings, so this means that you will have to not only pair all your Bluetooth devices one more time, but also you will have to connect to Wi-Fi networks again. Of course, if you already just use the reset settings button, afterwards, once you reset these settings, you just want to go back to connections and to Bluetooth settings over here and try to pair your Bluetooth device one more time, and hopefully this time it is going to work. Leave a like and subscribe.